Good evening friends. In the past few lectures, we have discussed various concepts regarding reservoir oil properties like formation volume factor of oil, formation volume factor of gas, as well as the gas solubility. Today we are going to solve a numerical based on those concepts. So according to the numerical, it has been given that a sample of reservoir liquid with volume of 400 cc under reservoir condition was passed through a separator and into a stock tank at 14.7 psia and 60 degree Fahrenheit, which are the basic standard surface conditions. The liquid volume in stock tank was 274 cc. The total of 1.21 SCF of gas was released. Calculate the oil formation volume factor and solution GOR, which is basically the gas solubility of the reservoir fluid. So in these questions we have been given that we had a sample of oil which at reservoir condition had a volume of 400 cc. When it was brought to the surface into the stock tank and the separator at atmospheric conditions, the volume of oil got reduced to 274 cc, which we basically know why this happens is because the dissolved gas from the oil has been released, and how much of that released gas is? That is 1.21 SCF. So out of 400 cc of oil which was at reservoir conditions, my 274 cc of oil got produced at the surface and 1.21 SCF of gas was released from that. Now what I have been asked is to calculate the oil formation volume factor and solution GOR. So how we will do that? We have discussed in the earlier lectures that oil formation volume factor, which is represented by B naught, is basically volume of oil at reservoir conditions upon volume of oil at surface conditions, and the unit of this is barrel upon stock tank barrel. Okay, so my volume of oil at reservoir condition is given to be as 400 cc. Mind it, this volume includes the dissolved gas as well. So this is 400 cc upon volume of oil at surface condition is 274 cc. So if you calculate this, we will get an answer of 1.46. Now since the units are same, that is cc upon cc, and these units as well, barrel and stock tank barrel, are same. Basically stock tank barrel is barrel at surface conditions, so we can interchange these units with these units. So we will get the final answers we will get as 1.46 barrel, which is reservoir barrel, upon stock tank barrel. So this way we have calculated formation volume factor of oil. Now we have been asked to find the solution GOR. So solution GOR is nothing but we call it as gas solubility. So as discussed earlier, gas solubility is basically the amount of gas that will be produced from my volume of oil which was at reservoir condition. So how much volume of gas is being produced? We have been given that around 1.21 standard cubic feet of gas is being produced. Now RS is volume of gas evolved, which is in SCF, upon volume of oil at surface conditions. So volume of gas is 1.21 SCF. Volume of oil at surface condition is 274 cc. But we want our answer in SCF upon stock tank barrel. So how will we convert cc into barrel? So we all know that 1 barrel is basically 159.8 liter, or we can approximate it to 160 liter. Okay, and this can be further written down as 160 into 1000 cc because 1 liter is 1000 cc. So to convert cc into barrel, we will just take inverse of this number. So basically 1 cc is, it will come out to be around 6.3 into 10 raised to power minus 6 barrel. You can also directly use it in numerical values. Okay, so if I input this here, so I'll just do 6.3 into 10 raised to power minus 6. This is stock tank barrel upon cc. Okay, so now since I have converted this cc into stock tank barrel, the cc gets cancelled out. Now when you will do the calculation, you will find out that the answer comes out to be 702 SCF upon stock tank barrel. So this is the value of my solution gas oil ratio, which we also denote as gas solubility. So in this lecture we have covered two very important concepts regarding formation volume factor and gas solubility, and we have solved a numerical to get a better understanding of what these concepts curtails. Thank you very much.